कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के अगला वीडियो नंबर 2 में आपको मैं सवाल करवाऊंगा स्ट्रेट लाइन के सवाल, और जो सवाल एनडीए में आए हैं वो सवाल करूंगा। माय फर्स्ट एंडेवर टू यू टू अप्राइज यू व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे आस्क इन एनडीए। एनडीए में कौन से सवाल कितने आसान से पूछे जाते हैं मैं आपको आज इसमें करवाऊंगा। थोड़े सवाल करवाऊंगा बट स्ट्रेट लाइन के सवालों को मैं अच्छी तरह करवा पाऊंगा। आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहले बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, कोई मुश्किल सवाल नहीं है, मैं आपके सामने देख रहा हूँ, बहुत आसान सवाल है, मैं आपको बात करना चाहूँगा। आइए पहले बात करते हैं, रिवाइज करते हैं। हमने एक बात की थी सेक्शन फार्मूले की। हमारा एक पॉइंट x1 y1 है और दूसरा पॉइंट यहाँ पर एक x2 y2 है। तो हमने कहा कि एक पॉइंट C होगा जो इसको m/n करेगा, तो C के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे, m/x2 प्लस n इंटू x1 डिवाइड बाई m प्लस n और my2 प्लस में ny1 डिवाइडेड बाई। ओके, एक सवाल आता है सेंट्रॉइड का। हाउ यू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ए सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल, एंड ट्रायंगल का सेंट्रॉइड whose vertices are given to us। x1 y1 is one point given to us, दूसरा पॉइंट x2 y2 is given to us, C is x3, y3 is given. How to find centroid? Look at centroid, the point of intersection of medians. This divide in the ratio 2:1. This is a median, so this is a midpoint. Midpoint is here. Midpoint is x2 plus x3 divided by 2. y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Now this point G will be what? G will be 2 into this, 1 into this. x1 plus x2 plus x3, 2 से multiply 2 cut, divide by 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Such question has been asked in the exam. This is question on centroid के बेस पे सवाल पूछे गए हैं, वो सवाल मैं करूँगा। अब सेंट्रॉइड का सवाल जो पूछा गया है वो कैसे पूछे गए हैं मैं अभी आपके सामने बताऊंगा। पहले बात सेंट्रॉइड के सवाल का ये है कि आपको ये x1 और यहाँ पर 2, 3, B पॉइंट, A पॉइंट एंड C पॉइंट इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड सपोज 8। सेंट्रॉइड के कोऑर्डिनेट दे रखे हैं 7 और 1, तो बताओ x की वैल्यू क्या होगी। सो x की वैल्यू किसकी बना, x प्लस में 2 प्लस में 4 डिवाइड, लेट्स टेक दिस वैल्यू इज y सपोज y, then find x and y, then x plus 2 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 7, and x is equal to 21 minus 6 is equal to 15, and y का 1 plus 3 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So we can find this type of question that whenever the question asked on centroid, that question is there. This question came in NDA, centroid of a triangle whose vertices are, this question 7x, y minus में 6 and 9 and 10. Centroid is given equal to 6 and 3. Then is find what is the value of x and y. This came in the exam of 2017 that has been asked. This is question. So simple to do, 7 plus y plus 9 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So I will calculate y is equal to 18 minus 16 is equal to 3. So choice में I look at the 3, there is no 3 here. I made some mistake, it's 2. So y is equal to 2. Yes, y is equal to 2. There is only one option that is equal to a. So I'll say because there is no other option based on the y. So similarly x can be found, x minus 6 plus 10 divided by 3 is equal to 9 is equal to 3, and therefore x is equal to 9 plus 6 minus 10, this is equal to 5. So 5 and 2 is the answer, which was the first option in the given question. That is the one part. So that we have done. In this case we have done the choices are, we have shown here that this is the possible way to write down. So this based on the question. I go to the next one is I go with the Slightly I want to make more clear to this. So एक सवाल यहाँ पूछा गया है, वो सवाल है ये पूछा गया है सेंट्रॉइड के बेस पे सवाल ये पूछा है in a triangle this is a triangle whose vertices are 1 and 1 and B is the 1 and C. The midpoint of this are given. The midpoints are -1 and 2 and the other one is 3 and 2. Then its midpoints are given on the two sides through the line passing through the. He want to find the centroid of this. What is the centroid of this one? Centroid. What is centroid? So I must know this is the one. What I should get the coordinates of B and C. This plus 1, midpoint is given. This is a midpoint. So this plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to -1. Therefore, it is the x minus 3 here. This plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So this is equal to 3. That is here. I found the coordinate of B. Then coordinate of C. X plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, this is equal to 5. And x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2. This is equal to 3. So I found the coordinates of this one. Now what is the centroid is 1 plus 5 minus 3 divided by 3 and 1 plus 3 divided by 3. So these are the coordinates. You should know that these are the coordinates. My answers are, this is 1 and 7 by 3. Which choices? I look at the choices. This is the D is the choice in the question that we found. So based on this question that is here, it has been asked in NDA question based on centroid. So friend, it can be done. Centroid, the concept is the x1, x2, x3 divided by 3 and you can find the centroid this manner. Now my next question will be same based on the midpoint coordinates. This is how we find the fourth point vertex of this parallelogram. There is a parallelogram here. This is a parallelogram. This is A is equal to -2 and -1. B is equal to 4 and 3. And this is equal to 1 and 0. Find this coordinate. Find the fourth vertex. How to find the fourth vertex? Choices are 1 and 2. A choice, B choice is equal to 1 and 0 and C is equal to 0 and 0 and D is equal to 1 and -1. Property of parallelogram is when you join the two diagonals, the middle point will be same. What is the middle point of this is equal to 1 and -2 is equal to -1 upon 2. And now x plus 4 divided by 2 must be equal to -2. Cancel. X must be equal to -5, which is not, I don't find here in this is not there. 5 and 0, x minus 2. Fourth point is -1 this and the second is 4 3 and opposite 2. My diagram is different. Let me write diagram differently. Okay, my points are, this is -2 -1 and opposite 2 is xy and this is equal to 1 and 0, 4 and 3 and 1 and 0. This is here. You want to find out the fourth vertex. Middle point of this is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2, 3 plus 0, 3 by 2. This must be equal to x minus 2 upon 2 and y minus 1 upon 2. That's the question. Between them, midpoint of this is it. So here 5 by 2 is equal to x minus 2 by 2 to cancel. Therefore x is equal to 7 and y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to 4. So therefore point is 7 and 4. This is the point. I have written the questions, answer something different, but I cannot help. This is the question here. So this is a question based on the parallelogram where we need the midpoint in the property of parallelogram. Parallelogram property is there. One question in NDA is find the equation of a straight line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 and passes through the point minus 1 and 2. Find the question. Choices are 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, and if you got idea, this is equal to 0. C, x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and d is equal to 3x minus 2y plus 7. Friend, parallel to this must have the slope is the same. Here this can be answered, this can be answered, this cannot be answered. Slope is minus 1. Here slope is equal to minus 1 2 by 3. I told you this one minus 2 minus if you got ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then slope of this line, I told it in my earlier video, is equal to minus a over b. So here slope is minus right, this right, slope minus 1, slope is not right, opposite hai. So these two are not the answer. First, then it must pass through minus 1, 2. This must satisfy this equation. X is equal to minus 2 and this is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Yes, is satisfied. Oh, this is the answer. We can make the answer, we can check up the answer according to the concept. Well, otherwise you take like this. Any line which is parallel to this is given by this manner, plus lambda, only change in the constant. It passes through minus 1 and 2, put minus 2 plus 6 plus lambda is equal to 0 and the lambda is equal to minus 4. So replace minus this one and here is the answer. So this was the simplest question that asked in the examination, and this was there. I go with another question is there is a ratio question here. There is a ratio question here. One question here is, what is the ratio? What is the ratio in which the point C is given minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7. Question is asked in the examination friend. Divide the line joining the point A minus 2 and B 2 minus 4. The choices are 1 is to 3, 3 is to 4, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3. There is one line joining here and B here. This is line joining here. Okay. There is a point here minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. This is here. Let it divide in the ratio k is to 1. Minus 2 and minus 2 and 2 minus 4. I want to find k. Well friend, what will be the point according to this supposition? This is equal to 2k here 2k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 must be this one. This is equal to minus 2 by 7. This is equal to 14k minus 14 is equal to minus 2k plus minus 2. This is equal to 12. 16k is equal to 12. Therefore, k is equal to 3 by 4. So, therefore, it divides in the ratio. K is equal to 1 means 3 by 4 into 1. It means 3 is to 4. That's the answer. So, this was the question of ratio. Has been asked. So simple it was asked. So simple question has been asked in the examination. That is the one to go. Here. My next question which asked in NDA. I am dealing with the whole question of the straight line which has been asked in NDA. I am doing the whole question based on the NDA examination question that has been asked. The question is, what is the equation of a straight line? What is the equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to y is equal to x and passes through the 0.32 is choices are x minus y is equal to 5, b x plus y is equal to 5, c x plus y is equal to 1, and d x minus y is equal to 1. Now these two are not possible because they don't satisfy this point. Either this or this they require. What is slope of x minus y is equal to 0? Its slope is equal to what? 1. Minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to 1. What is slope of this line is equal to? This line, slope of this line is equal to minus 1 over 1 is equal to minus. What is slope of this line is equal to? They are parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line. This cannot be questioned because x minus y, x minus y. Therefore, this is the answer because it is like that. Its slope of this and slope of this line, they multiply and they are equal to minus 1. When you find two lines are perpendicular, therefore, my shortcut is when I find this line, so this line will be parallel, this is not accepted, this is not accepted. This does not pass through 3, 3, therefore this is my answer. Without calculating, you can judge which is the answer. That is the one to go. My next question is on straight line is this one. My question. The question is distance between two parallel lines. Here is the distance between two parallel lines. Before I do this question, let me tell the distance of a point, given point from a line, how we calculate. I don't want to give the total how this came. Distance, what we will do, x is x1, ax1 plus by1 yc divided by under root a square plus b square. That's the answer. This is the distance of this. When you find distance of this is the question. Okay, when you find the two lines are parallel, when two lines are parallel, this one line, another line, this one, and they are parallel, so what will be distance? What will be the distance between them? Okay, let me take any point on this. A point x1, y1 on this. So it will satisfy ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. Now this point is on this line. Now I draw from this point, I find the distance of this second one. So what will be that? A into x1 plus b into y1 plus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square according to this formula. But ax1 plus by1 is equal to minus c. So this is equal to c1 minus c. That's here. So we found whenever the two lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, two parallel lines, then what is the distance between these two lines is equal to c minus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square. This is the answer for it. What will be the answer here? It is difference of the two constant divided by under root 4 plus 9 is 2 upon under root 13. That's the answer. 2 upon under root 13. So when you find the distance between two parallel lines, this is to be done like this. I do one more question based on it. The question is here. We suppose I got x plus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the distance? Are they parallel? Yes, they are parallel because the minus 2 and minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2 slope minus. So when you use this formula, let's divide this by 2. Make like this. Divide by 2. First of all, now distance between them is make them equal. Same. Then difference of this 8 minus 9 by 2. They are divided by 1 plus 4 under root. It's equal to 16 minus 9 divided by 2 into under root 5. So that's the answer to go. How to find the answer? Distance. How to find the distance between the two parallel lines, that has to be done like this. This was one of the questions in the NDA. Another question on NDA is angle between the two lines. Angle between the two lines. Here is the one. What is that? One line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Another is L dash x plus m dash y plus n dash. And if the angle between them it is given, if angle between them is tangent inverse theta, then theta is equal to what? The choices are given here. So what is the angle between them? Tangent theta is given by a formula is we have done this formula m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Well, what is m1 is equal to minus L upon m, and this what is slope of this L dash m dash. Let's put the here minus Lm plus L dash m dash. Okay, divided by 1 plus the difference LL dash mm dash. Friends, when you take the LCM, this is equal to L dash m minus Lm dash. Okay, the same one. So this is the answer. The answer, you check up the answer in this tangent inverse theta. What is the, this is tangent theta. So what is it? So tangent inverse theta is equal to this. Angle, the angle between them is given equal to angle between them. This angle is given between them. So therefore, angle is tangent to theta, cancel. Therefore, theta is equal to this. So friend, this was the question here. The angle between the two lines, which lines are given in Lx plus mem, the done. Then I got another question to do is angle between the, this question came in 2018 of the NDA. This is another question to go. This is here. This is the angle between the under root 2 into x, 3 under root y is equal to 1, under root 3x plus under root 2 into y is equal to 2. What is the angle? Choices are tangent inverse 1 over 2 into 6, B tangent inverse 3, tangent inverse 1 over under root 2, and D is equal to tangent inverse 1 over. Okay, let's slope of this is equal to minus under root 2 by under root 2 upon 3, and slope of this is under root 3 by under root 2. So m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus under root 2 into under root 3 into under root 3 under root 2. It cuts is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is minus 2 plus 3 divided by under root 6 is equal to 1 upon under root 6. Therefore, tangent inverse is, somewhere I made mistake, is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 into under root 6. This is the answer. Theta. This was the one question that was asked in NDA, that is there here. So friend, here we can see the angle between the two lines. The formula is this one. I am going to do a different question now, which is the line passing through the 2 points or concurrent I want to do. This is the next question that has been asked in the Jan of NDA is very good question here. If the lines, okay, 3x plus 4y is equal to 1, y is equal to x plus 5, and 5y plus bx is equal to 3. They are concurrent. Then what is the value of b? Then value of b is equal to is choices is 1, 3, 6. Very important question, friends. Very important. They are concurrent means they pass through a single point. They are concurrent means they are go through the same point, a single point. How? It means the common point of this will satisfy this. Let's simplify. Let's y is equal to 3x. Put the value of y here. The 4x plus 20 is equal to 1. Therefore, 7x is equal to minus 19. This is 3x plus 4y is equal to 1. And y is equal to x plus 5. Is a 4x plus 20 is equal to 1. So, here 7x is equal to minus 19, x is equal to 19 by 7. And y is equal to 19 minus 7 plus 5 is equal to 7 minus 9 plus 35. This is equal to 6 and minus 6 this is. Okay. 8. 935 okay, right, 16 by 7. Now put the value there, 5 into my 16 by 7 plus my b into my minus 19 by 7 is equal to 3, which is equal to 80, minus 19b is equal to 21. Therefore, minus 19b is equal to 21 plus 21 minus 80. So 80 minus 21 is equal to 9 and 69. Therefore, this is equal to 7 and 9, so this 7 and 5, 59. So minus 19b is equal to minus 59 plus 59. So I don't know what it is. I mean minus, and therefore b is equal to answer. Well, I just made some mistakes here in my question. Let me check up 3y, 3a. Oh, well, friend, I'll do again. I made a mistake in doing it. I'll change the question again to go. My point is here in the question I wrote the statement wrongly. The statement is there is change here in this. This is equal to 3y plus 4x is equal to. Let's revise again. So let's simplify these one. 3 into x plus 5 plus 4y is equal to 1. 4x is equal to 1. 3x plus 15 plus 4x is equal to 1. 7x is equal to minus 14. X is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3. Put the value here. 15 minus 2x is equal to 3. 2x is equal to minus 12 and x is equal to what, 6. I don't know whether the choice is yes, C was the choice. That was the question here. So here there was a question that is what is the concurrent one. Let me just pass a comment here. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2 into x, b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. If they are concurrent, then this must be equal to 0. Remember a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 must be equal to 0. That is the one you can remember this point. When they are concurrent, this must be so. Okay, my next type of question is this is well, I'm searching for a question which is here done here. Okay. Here is one question that came in 2017 first paper, first वाले में आया ये सवाल है. Find the equation of a line passing through 2 and 3 and the point of intersection of 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Find the equation of a straight line. Choices are given with the downward. The choices are given 21x plus 46y minus 180 is equal to 0 and something different. This. 3 lines are given, 4 lines. Well, here. Any line which passing through the intersection of these two lines, there are 2 lines, line number 1, line number 2. How many lines can pass through this? Infinite. What type of line will be there in this case? You write down first equation of a line plus lambda time. That equation is represents so many lines. Different lambda, different line. They are different. How many lines can possibly infinite? How many lambda can be infinite? So whenever you suppose 2 lines which are passing through intersection of 2 lines have got like this, put like this. Now you have to find a lambda here. this equation pass with 2, 3. 2, 3, 4 minus 9 plus 7 plus lambda to 14 plus 12 plus 2 is equal to 0. So here this is equal to 2 plus lambda, this is equal to 28 is equal to, lambda is equal to minus 1 over 14. Minus 1 over 14. Lambda is equal to minus 1 over 14 here. So let's find out the, I just do this, and this is equal to, here I go and I put here, this is 2 plus lambda into 28. So lambda is equal to minus 1 by 14. Put minus 1 by 14 here. 1 minus 14 here. And look at the answer. This is 28 minus 7. 28 plus 7. If I get the answer, 28x minus 42y plus 798 plus 7x plus 4y plus 2. And I get the equation. Check up. This is 35x. Check up in that 35 is there or not. Then check up the next y, check up minus 38y. Check up from here and look at the answer. This is here. So this is the answer to way how to find the these two lines are given, point of intersection is given, and then find the equation of a line passing through the 2 points here, and they pass through a point. Okay, suppose I ask a question. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the intersection of this and makes an intercept on x-axis is equal to 3. So what I will do? 2x minus 3y plus 7 plus lambda into 7x plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I want to find lambda. Condition is it makes an intercept of this. This makes an intercept 3 on this. Here the y is equal to, put y is equal to 0. 2x, put x is, and intercept is equal to 3. So put this point is 3, 0. So therefore 6 plus 7 plus lambda and 21 plus 2 is equal to 0. And then lambda. And put this lambda here and get the equation. Here passing through the intersection of two lines, that means this plus lambda into 0. So friend, I tried to cover the question which has been asked in the examination in previous years. Hopefully you will do it and you will do more questions, and I will be doing more questions on straight line in my next video. Thank you.